Hey guys, I'm Karina Garcia and today we're making blue metallic slime. So to make some slime, it's really easy. We're gonna take a bowl, we're gonna need some glue. We're just gonna pour that in. I kinda wanna make a lot, you know, go big or go home. So I'm gonna put all of these in here. Next up, we're gonna add in our food coloring. I'm going in with blue, just about 2 to 3 drops. I eyeball everything. Now the trick to making super clear slime is just mix it slowly. Next is the fun part. We're gonna add in the metallic pigment. We got some blue pigment right here and we're just going in, honey. The more the better. So pretty, look at that. Okay, next up we're gonna add in our activator. My favorite is baking soda and contact lens solution. So we're going in with baking soda first. Again, I don't use exact measurements. I go in with about 4 pinches. Looks about right, and if I need more, I'll just go back in. Lastly, we're gonna go in with our contact lens solution, and it's gonna start to come together. Squirting that in there, mix it all up. And you can see it start to come together already. Keep going in. This came out really cute. So we just keep going in, and you're gonna know it's ready when it starts to unstick from the bowl, so it's still very sticky. I might need some more baking soda, so I'm gonna go in with another pinch of that. So once it starts to come together, I like to put my mixing utensil to the side and get my hands in there. It's gonna be a little bit sticky, but the more you need, the more it will come together. It looks like it's almost done. Look at this. So stretchy, so metallic, so beautiful. Ooh, okay. It has bubbles in it too. This is so satisfying to me. You're probably watching thinking like, what is going on? Yeah, this is gold. Okay, she is crunchy. I hope you enjoyed this slime. Thank you so much for watching. For more slime videos, make sure to subscribe to me at Karina Garcia on YouTube. Bye!